What's going on, family? What's going on this morning? The early bird is about to get the worm. I'm getting everything set up. I got like 16 of these to do. Well, from here to here to here, and every 4 inches, then skip to every 2 foot, and then 4. So I got a lot of these to do. Got everything lined out. About to get ready to get my hog on. Just wanted to say, man, to those out there wondering how I network, I don't have no limitations. And I network myself in 3 different forms: mind, body, and soul. Just like God created me in mind, body, and soul. That's how I network myself. I network myself as an individual. I network myself as a product, and I network myself as a business. And I think that's what you're gonna have to do if you want to get to that next level in life and build something and actually have something that lasts. You're gonna have to learn how to work yourself, learn how to network your qualities and your abilities, because there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. You know, you just got to keep that in mind while you're doing it, and don't let nothing limit you. You know what I mean? I'm only here because I had the audacity to network and get myself up there. Now I'm doing this, and I got something that I could do for a while. Like, this place ain't going nowhere. These companies that put these in, and the guy was like, man, we could always use somebody like you. We can use the independent team. You see what I'm saying? So sometimes you have to build your team as an individual, and then you could build your team where you're out in the field just doing bids and checking on people, and you ain't actually out there burning rocks no more. You don't have to, because you got a strong team now. But you have to start first. So anything you're gonna do that you want done, you're gonna have to do it first. All gone.